summertime when the weather is high. You can stretch right up and touch the sky when the weather's fine.
Hi! Wow, middle of summer. I know what you're thinking about. Christmas! I know, I can't wait either. Here, come on. I've got something really amazing to show you. You promise you won't show loads of people or stick it on the internet? Here, look.
Gift wrap elves, attention!
Sir, yes, sir!
Santa's Airborne Gift Wrap Battalion. The green ribbons.
Present arms!
Knife, mission, scissors, tape guns, gift wrap, Santa patterns, sir!
Brilliant.
On my count, wrap that!
That, sir?
Let me hear your Christmas noise!
Ho, 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 sir!
Ho, 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 go, go, go!
Quick, this way! Whoa! Hey, this is top secret! Turn that off! Wow! That's one big teddy bear! What? There's nothing...
The Final Adjuster movie?
Go back!
This Christmas!
No polar bears in mission control!